and welcome back to another episode of Kim Wilpon Crafts. I am your girl, I am your friend.
You ain't never had a friend like me.
The one, the only, Kim Wilpon, boo 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 boo. So if we have not yet met, my name is Kim, I am a crafter, I am a knitter, DIY aficionado. Question mark. But today we're going to be doing a quick little DIY on how to make a lip scrub out of things you probably already have in your kitchen. If you're like me and you're starting the year off with some New Year's resolutions maybe, and you're trying to figure out ways to maybe self-care a little bit more as we have been doing this whole January, I'm trying to rid myself of a habit, which is biting my lips because they get dry and they just pick it and nibble. It's not good. So we're gonna do a quick little craft on making your very own lip exfoliant. So let's get started. It's gonna be real fast. So we're gonna use this little jar I have here that has a lid on it already, and I've got my spoon and I've got a little paper towel laid out. I roll up my sleeves. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of just regular white granulated sugar. And that is just a little more. Okay, that is 2 tablespoons. You're going to need, whoop, rewind a little. Whoop. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of honey, and then a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Mine's already nice and soft. You want it nice and soft so it's easy to mix. And then if you wanted to end your lip scrub there, that's great. Just stir that right up. I'm gonna add a little drop of almond extract, just a drip. Okay, that's enough. Just because I want a little something extra. You can add vanilla extract. You can use whatever extracts you already have. And I'm gonna use a little bit of food coloring just to make it a little bit more exciting. But you don't have to. Just throw a little bit of that pink in there. Maybe get the other tip. Okay. Close that up. And now you just stir. That smells so good. And there you have it. There is your lip sugar scrub exfoliant. It smells so good. It smells like a little almond cookie. It smells amazing and I can't wait to use this. Just scrub it on your lips, wash it off with water, and you're done. That took like what, 2 minutes maybe? Easy peasy. And I have a little lid for mine. I can keep this in the bathroom. I would keep this someplace cool so that the sugar doesn't melt. And that's it. So if you enjoyed what you saw today, please remember to subscribe to my channel, ding that bell for those notifications, share this video. Let me know if this worked for you. I hope to see you all next week. Have a good one. Bye.